Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over Rufus troubleshooting tips to help you fix common issues when creating bootable USB drives. If you've ever run into errors, failed boots, or formatting problems, this video is for you. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech guides and tutorials. Let's start with one of the most common issues: USB drive not recognized. If Rufus doesn't detect your USB, try plugging it into a different port or restarting Rufus. Sometimes a faulty or low-quality drive can cause problems, so using a reliable USB stick is always recommended. Next, bootable USB creation fails. This can happen if your ISO file is corrupted or incomplete. Always verify your ISO file before using it, and make sure you've selected the correct USB drive in Rufus. Double-check the partition scheme and file system too. Mismatches between BIOS UEFI or FAT32 and TFS can prevent the USB from booting. Another tip is formatting errors. If Rufus can't format your USB, try manually formatting it first in Windows or using another formatting tool, then run Rufus again. Also, ensure you've backed up your data, as formatting erases everything on the drive. Sometimes the USB boots, but the OS doesn't start. This can happen if the bootable USB wasn't created correctly or the system requires a specific partition scheme. Switching between MBR and GPT or adjusting UEFI/BIOS settings usually solves the problem. Finally, always make sure you're using the latest version of Rufus. Updates often fix bugs and improve compatibility with newer hardware and operating systems. In short, most Rufus issues come down to USB quality, ISO integrity, correct settings, and keeping the software updated. By following these troubleshooting tips, you'll save time and ensure your bootable USB works perfectly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need these tips, and subscribe for more tech guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.